Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are going to do some DIY Valentine's Day decorations. As you all know, I have a son that was born on Valentine's Day. He will be 20 this year. And I know I talk about him like he's a little kid, but he's my forever Valentine. But anyway, for those of you who are new and are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you have been here before and you're still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video, share it out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers so we can do that giveaway. And without further ado, let's get rolling. So I did it again, guys. I thought I was recording and of course I wasn't. But anyway, what I have here and what I was saying about this particular tutorial is it's going to be a banner. I don't have a set size that I cut these pieces. I got this burlap ribbon here from Dollar Tree. These stickers, they're like felt stickers and they came from the dollar spot at Target. And of course these are the hearts that I got from Dollar Tree that we worked with earlier this year. So I have these pieces. I have this ribbon that I got from the dollar spot in Target, and this was only $1. Okay, so for our second tutorial, I'm using this like twine here, and I am going to, basically it's going to be kind of the same thing, but instead you will be putting the hearts on the string. Let's move on to our third and final project. So what we're going to be using for this project is these little pom-poms. And I got 2 packs of these, and again, I got these from the Dollar Tree last year. I'm just going to dump them all out here. So these are going to be kind of like cascading from like a window or something, or a wall if that's how you want to do it. So basically you're just going to take the ribbon. So I'm going to use this because it has like gold glitter in it. It kind of looks like it fits the Valentine's Day theme. once we are all set, here are our cascading pom-poms. I will be hanging these up, and we have our what's going to be kind of a zigzag rope here with Be Mine, hearts, and all other kind of sappy kind of phrases. And then we have our first, which was our burlap ribbon with our Valentine's hearts. So I hope you like these videos. I hope they gave you kind of an idea of what to do for Valentine's Day decoration. It doesn't cost a lot of money. Most of this stuff came from Dollar Tree, and whatever didn't come from Dollar Tree came from the dollar spot at Target. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, whether you're new or you've been here before and you're not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button and share my videos out. Let's get this channel to 10,000 subscribers so we can hurry up and do that giveaway. My links to my movie review channel as well as my vlog channel are linked down below. My social media is also down below, as well as the links to my book, my website, and my shop site. Those are all in the description. Make sure you check on my vlog channel and subscribe to that channel as well, and I will see you all next time. Bye.